There's a certain kind of cold that doesn't just live outside, it follows you indoors. You hang up your coat, sit down for a moment, and suddenly the idea of cooking feels heavy. If that sounds familiar, you're exactly where you need to be. Tonight isn't about effort, it's about warmth. It's about one pot dinners that quietly take care of you while you rest your feet, breathe a little slower, and let dinner handle itself. These are meals that simmer gently, ask very little, and give a lot back. Nothing fussy, nothing loud, just comfort you can taste. So settle in. Grab something warm to drink, let's cook without pressure. 1. One pot baked ziti style skillet. Italian comfort minus the commitment. This is for nights when you want something familiar and cozy, but the oven feels like too much responsibility. Everything happens right on the stovetop. Dry pasta, jarred marinara, and broth all go into the same pot. No boiling water, no draining, no extra dishes. As it simmers, the pasta absorbs the sauce instead of water. That's the secret. Everything thickens, softens, and becomes richer by the minute. After about half an hour, it turns into that comforting, saucy texture you recognize instantly. Then comes the quiet magic. Ricotta or cottage cheese stirred in for creaminess, followed by shredded mozzarella. Cover the pot, wait a few minutes, let the cheese finish the job. The result is soft, filling, and gentle to eat. It reheats beautifully, which means tomorrow doesn't have to work so hard either. This is a meal that stands on its own, like an old song you never skip. 2. One pot miso chicken and vegetable stew. Soft warmth that goes straight to the bones. This is quiet food, no spice shouting, no heavy richness, just depth, warmth, and calm. Chicken simmers gently with garlic and ginger. The smell alone feels like you're doing something kind for yourself. Vegetables follow, carrots, mushrooms, greens, whatever's nearby. Then, near the end, miso melts into the broth without boiling. The flavor is deep and savory, but never heavy, the kind of stew that makes you slow down while eating. Serve it as is or pour it over a little rice. That's not cheating, that's wisdom. You finish this meal feeling steady, warmed but not weighed down. 3. Mushroom and barley stew. Patient food for long evenings. This one doesn't rush, and it doesn't expect you to either. Mushrooms go in first and take their time, releasing moisture, turning golden, building flavor. Rushing mushrooms is how people miss everything they're good at. Then come onions, garlic, barley, broth, and herbs. The pot simmers gently for nearly an hour. Barley thickens the stew naturally, turning the broth silky without cream or flour. By the end, it feels grounding, substantial, calm. It's filling without being heavy, comforting without putting you to sleep. And tomorrow, it somehow tastes even better. 4. One pot sesame chicken noodles. Soft, slurpable comfort. This is for nights when you want warmth without heaviness. Chicken cooks gently with garlic and ginger, broth and a touch of soy sauce follow. The noodles go in broken in half because dinner shouldn't fight back. As they cook, the broth turns into a silky sauce that clings instead of splashes. A small drizzle of sesame oil finishes it. Not perfume, just warmth. This dish is easy to eat, deeply soothing and quietly satisfying. Slurp if you want, that's part of the joy. 5. Cowboy stew. When you want to feel truly fed. This is sturdier than chili, a full meal with backbone. Everything starts in one pot. Meat, onions, potatoes, beans, tomatoes, broth. Then it simmers slowly, asking nothing from you but patience. The potatoes thicken the stew naturally. Every bite feels solid and grounding. Serve it with cornbread, crackers, mashed potatoes, or just a spoon. It will meet you where you are. After this meal, dessert isn't necessary. A warm drink and a good chair will do. 6. Tortellini soup. A hug in a bowl. Broth and tomatoes simmer gently. Then the tortellini drop in, puff up, and quietly turn soup into dinner. Spinach or greens melt in at the end, like they were waiting for permission. It comes together fast, tastes like you tried harder than you did, and leaves nothing behind in the bowl because you'll want every drop. Soft, comforting, and forgiving. Exactly what dinner should be sometimes. 8. One pot butter chicken and rice. Comfort that feels special, not complicated. Chicken cooks gently with warm spices and tomatoes, then the rice goes in, soaking up every bit of flavor. By the end, the chicken is tender, the rice is fluffy, and the whole pot smells of care. A little butter or cream smooths everything out. Rich, but not heavy. This is a bowl meal. A spoon, maybe some yogurt. Nothing else required. 8. Tomato braised chickpeas and Italian sausage. Rustic, forgiving, deeply satisfying. Sausage browns in the pot, garlic, onion, tomatoes, chickpeas, broth, and herbs follow. Then it simmers slowly until everything feels like it belongs together. The chickpeas soak up flavor. The sauce turns rich and comforting. It's simple, hearty, and better the next day. The kind of meal that quietly impresses without trying. 9. Cheesy one-pot pasta. Low effort, high reward. Dry pasta, liquid, butter, milk, and cheese all go into one pot. No draining, no stress. As it simmers, starch turns everything into sauce. Silky, clinging, comforting. This is childhood comfort with grown-up ease. Cook it soft, eat it slow. Sometimes the pot is the plate, and that's okay. 10. Chicken pot pie soup. A hug in a bowl. Broth and tomatoes simmer gently. Then the